Or a white shirt. That was wrong. It was a bad idea. White shirt, bad idea. I can't be taken anywhere. It was lifted on my hand and then I like touched. Wonk wonk. I would like a Butterfinger bite. Liz is shaming me because I want candy. What a great way to spend a rainy Saturday. Everest. Yeah, let's just stay in watching the movie.
Stay in, like go to another theater and watch it.
That's what I meant. I meant like, not like steal one, but like just buy another movie. We decided to just see another movie. Let's just keep watching movies. So now we're gonna see Sicario. Thank you. She's so cute.
Let me tell you something. This doesn't sound that bad.
Movie number 2 in the books. It's still raining.